Are you curious why some animals seem to disappear during the winter months? Today, we're exploring the captivating world of hibernation. Why do animals hibernate? And how do they survive for months without eating? Let's dive in and find out. Hibernation is a survival strategy used by many animals to endure periods when food is scarce and the weather is harsh. During hibernation, animals enter a state of inactivity and metabolic depression. But what exactly happens during this process? When animals hibernate, they significantly lower their body temperature, slow down their breathing, and reduce their heart rate. This helps them conserve energy. Think of it as a form of deep sleep, but it goes much further than that. For example, a bear's heart rate can drop from 80-100 beats per minute to just 8-10 beats per minute during hibernation. This drastic slowdown allows them to survive on their fat reserves for months at a time. Before hibernation begins, animals go through a phase called hyperphagia, where they eat excessively to build up fat reserves. This fat is crucial for providing energy during the long hibernation period. Different animals prepare for hibernation in various ways. Squirrels, for instance, gather and store food in their nests. Bears, on the other hand, rely on the fat they've accumulated to see them through the winter. Now let's talk about the types of animals that hibernate. It's not just bears. Many mammals, like bats, groundhogs, and hedgehogs, hibernate. Some reptiles and amphibians also go through a similar process called brumation. Each species has its unique way of hibernating. For example, bats hibernate in large colonies in caves where the temperature is stable, while frogs burrow into the mud at the bottom of ponds to avoid freezing. But hibernation isn't just about surviving the cold. It's also about food availability. In winter, plants are dormant and many insects die off or become inactive. By hibernating, animals avoid the struggle of finding food in these harsh conditions. This adaptation ensures that they can emerge in the spring when food is more plentiful and conditions are better for raising their young. Did you know that groundhogs, also known as woodchucks, are true hibernators? They spend the winter months in burrows, entering a deep sleep that lasts until spring, when they finally emerge. Their body temperature and heart rate return to normal, and they're ready to find food and mate. So the next time you see an animal preparing for winter, remember that they're getting ready for a long hibernation. It's an incredible survival strategy that allows them to endure the toughest conditions nature can throw at them. And there you have it, the amazing reasons why animals hibernate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fact Fusion Network for more fascinating facts and explanations.